Today's video is about our quality check process. Before we call a customer and tell them their car is ready, we do go over the car. Today I have Gerald with me and he's QCing this Volkswagen. Gerald, can you tell us some of the things that you look for during a QC?
On this particular vehicle, we replaced the rear bumper and we refinished the bottom of the trunk lid. It was damaged during the accident. And what I look for at the end result, to make sure the nameplates are aligned properly on there, to make sure the lights work. I check for if there's any overspray that might have got on the upper part of the trunk lid or the glass during the process. We do mask everything off, but we double check it to make sure there's no issues. The other thing too, I check and see if there's any imperfections in the paint. And if we do find any imperfections in the paint, we'll have it brought back over to the paint shop for them to polish out. I also will check underneath the car and see if there's any missing clips or if they're secured properly.